In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a SurveyMonkey account step by step so you can get signed up quickly and start building surveys right away. If you've been looking for a simple walkthrough, you're in the right place. I'll keep this easy to follow, even if you've never used SurveyMonkey before. And before we jump in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to surveymonkey.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the sign up free option and click it. This is the starting point for creating your new account. Next, you'll be taken to the sign up page where SurveyMonkey asks for your email address. Type in the email you want to use for your account. Make sure it's an email you can access, because you may need it later for verification, account recovery, or important notifications from SurveyMonkey. After entering your email, click Next to continue. On the next screen, SurveyMonkey will ask you to create a password. Type in a strong password that you'll remember, but make sure it's also secure. A good password usually includes a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once your password is entered, click Create Account. At this point, SurveyMonkey will start setting up your account and may ask you a few onboarding questions. One of those questions is usually about why you're creating the account. For example, you may be asked whether you're creating it for personal use, business, education, or another purpose. In this walkthrough, I'm selecting personal, but you can choose the option that best matches your own needs. This helps SurveyMonkey tailor your experience and recommend the right tools for you. After you choose your purpose, your account setup is complete. You should now be inside your SurveyMonkey account and ready to start creating surveys, collecting responses, and exploring the platform. That's really all there is to it. You've just created a SurveyMonkey account in a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.